This is going to be a brief video on how to use a command prompt on a Windows PC. I've got the command prompt icon right here on my toolbar, but if you don't have that, you can come over here to your start button, go to your search, and type in CMD, just like that. Hit enter. It brings up your command prompt in the display. A few different commands you can do from the command prompt. I'm just going to go through a few of them so you kind of know what you're looking at on a network that you're connected to. ipconfig is probably the most common one that you're going to use. It's going to give you a lot of various information that you will need. Hit enter. I'm going to blow this up so we get a little bit better view of it. So what it's going to do is it's going to show you various information about your PC and the network that you're connected to. First one here is going to be the IPv4 address, which is not currently in use at this time. The IP4 address, subnet, and gateway information are what we're really looking for. So as you can tell right here, my PC has an address of 192.168.1.13. Subnet, which is a class C, 255.255.255.0, and a gateway of 192.168.1.1. If you have wireless connected, it will show those down through here. This is just my Ethernet connection on the back of my computer. Another command you can use is ping, P-I-N-G, space, an address on this particular network. So if you're trying to find an IP address to use for a printer or for a wireless access point or a DVR or whatever you're trying to hook up, ping is what you're going to use to find an available address. So I'll show you one that is in use to show you what it looks like, and then we'll show you one that is not in use. 192.168.1.113, which is my PC, so it should reply. And as you can tell, I get a reply from that address with 32 bytes of data, round trip time less than 1 millisecond. That's what we're looking for. Now if you're looking for an address that is not in use, go ahead and hit your up arrow button. You can go back through any commands that you've typed in previously by hitting your up and down arrow buttons, just so you don't have to type it back in. So I'm going to ping 165 this time and see if anything responds. And as you can tell, does not look like anything is responding. Destination host unreachable. You can use that address. Okay, that's a very good tool to use to find an available IP address on your network. Another one that I'll show you is back to ipconfig again. This time we're going to hit space/all. Okay, this is going to give us a little bit more information than what typical ipconfig will. Some of the other things it's going to show you is going to show you your MAC address of your PC or of your NIC card. So Ethernet adapter, that's my NIC card. That's my MAC address of that NIC card. Physical address of the PC is right here. It's also going to show you a little bit of information about where you're getting your address from, your DHCP server. Okay. Where are you getting your DNS from, your domain name information. You know, that right there is a typical Google DNS. This is a local DNS running on our server. So you can get a little bit more information about the scheme of things of what's going on your network by doing an ipconfig space/all. That's going to wrap up this video on how to basically use basic features on a command prompt. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more videos.